As you can see, I got 4,000 views in this video. And almost 95% of views came from YouTube searches. In this video, I will be share with you how do I rank my video on YouTube search. And how you can also do this same trick. This video going to be so simple and easy, make sure you watch the full video. Open up your web browser and search Rapidtags. Click on first link. Now click on use tool for free. Now paste your YouTube title or just type by yourself. As you can see, this tool generated some YouTube tags related to my YouTube title. Now click on copy. Now paste those copied tags in YouTube tags box. You are good to go for viral. Thanks for watching. Please make sure like this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.